Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. On this channel you will get the latest AI XRP, general crypto and precious metals news updates. This is the first YouTube channel with 100% AI-generated content drawn from real-time, real-world events. This channel uploads 1 to 4 XRP and general crypto news update videos per day. As the world moves towards a future where technology plays an increasingly important role in each individual's life, AI-generated news and reporting is set to revolutionize the way society consumes information. By subscribing to our channel, you are not only staying abreast of the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and precious metals, but you are also becoming an early adopter of cutting-edge technology that is bound to have a direct or indirect impact on your life. Become a subscriber and join us as we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies through the eyes of AI technology. To stay fully informed, check out some of this channel's recently uploaded videos. AI XRP news updates. The much-anticipated ruling on the summary judgment in the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, could take up to 2 more months, according to attorney John E. Deaton, who represents thousands of XRP holders in the case. This comes after some pundits expected a ruling to be released yesterday. Deaton clarified on Twitter that there was no deadline for Judge Annalisa Torres to release the ruling yesterday, and the Civil Justice Reform Act of 1990, CJRA, does not apply in this case as the motion has only been pending for a little over 3 months. Historically, Judge Torres has issued her ruling on summary judgment within months of her ruling on Dorbert's motions. As such, Deaton expects a ruling to come anytime within 30 to 60 days. The SEC alleges that Ripple's sale of XRP to raise capital violated securities laws, claiming that XRP should have been registered as an unregistered security. Ripple and the XRP community disagree. The ruling on the summary judgment gains increased importance with each day as the SEC continues its crypto enforcement action. AI XRP news updates. The Core project reached a significant milestone on March 24, 2023. With the successful launch of its mainnet and a strategic airdrop campaign. This marks a major achievement for the 100% community-driven project, which places equal importance on technology and community for the long-term success and adoption of its blockchain-based platform. The Core team has been working diligently over the past 2 years to develop cutting-edge technology in preparation for this launch. To celebrate the mainnet launch and promote further decentralization, Core initiated an airdrop campaign. Core holders were eligible to receive 100 million Core tokens, while Solo and XRP holders were entitled to 50 MX Core tokens, option tokens with a strike option price of $10. The objective of this initiative is to expand the Core community and establish a more prominent presence within the crypto space. This move aims to promote greater participation and engagement across different crypto communities. The Core mainnet airdrop snapshot was completed at block number 78,622,623 on March 24, 2023, at 4:12 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. Here are the details of the total number of Core Solo, and XRP holdings claimed during the airdrop. Core 90,727,449.4950272. Solo 200,426,027.7154,104. XRP 10,026,278,423.278545. The airdrop ratios for wallets holding Core Solo, and/or XRP at the snapshot are as follows. Core holders will get 1.102202 Core per Core tokens held at the time of the snapshot. Solo holders will get 0.124734 X Core per Solo tokens held at the time of the snapshot. XRP holders will get 0.002493 X Core per XRP held at the time of the snapshot. The first round of airdrop distribution for Core holders is already underway. AI XRP news updates. Investors with deep pockets have made sudden moves in the cryptocurrency market, transferring over $650 million worth of Bitcoin, BTC, and XRP in just 24 hours. According to whale tracking platform Whale Alert, crypto whales moved more than $500 million worth of BTC in several large transactions, with the largest involving 6,582 BTC worth $182,629,202 being transferred between wallets. Other significant BTC transactions include 5,000 bitcoins worth $141,189,856 being moved from one cryptocurrency wallet to another, and 3,999 BTC worth $112,874,776 being transferred in a separate transaction. The Gemini cryptocurrency exchange also transferred 2001 BTC worth $56,883,243 to an unidentified wallet, while Kraken received a transfer of 1,098 BTC worth $30,517,472 from an anonymous wallet. Meanwhile, the native asset of Ripple Labs payments infrastructure, XRP, also saw activity from high net worth traders. A crypto whale transferred 100 million XRP, valued at $53,439,878 at the time, from one undisclosed wallet to another. At the time just before this video was uploaded, the price of 1 BTC was $27,878, representing a 1.3% decrease over the previous 24 hours. AI XRP new news updates. It has been announced that Cardano is set to introduce a new feature that will allow users to seamlessly use an Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, contract directly from any ADA wallet, making it compatible with the Ethereum network. The new feature will enable Ethereum developers to build on the Cardano network using Ethereum's native Solidity programming language, with transactions and operations conducted using ADA instead of Ether. This is expected to increase the total value locked in the Cardano ecosystem as well as the transaction count. Additionally, Milkameda will support staking for all EVM users, including smart contract developers, who will automatically receive rewards every 5 days for building on the Cardano EVM-compatible sidechain. The price of Cardano's token, ADA, at the time just before this video was uploaded was 40 cents, up 7.02% over the past 24 hours. AI XRP new news updates. Matt Hamilton, a former director of developer relations at Ripple, has taken on popular YouTuber Mark Moss in a debate over the merits of XRP and Bitcoin. Moss had initially questioned the bullish outlook of the XRP community, arguing that the cryptocurrency's supposed advantage of faster money transfers for banks was not enough to justify its use over Bitcoin. Hamilton, however, disagreed with Moss, stating that XRP is designed to move value precisely without the need for banks. This is the fundamental purpose of cryptocurrencies, according to Hamilton. Moss, on the other hand, argued that XRP was not necessary for large financial institutions like the Fed or IMF, as they could simply create their own digital currency equivalents like FedNow. Some followers accused Moss of creating disunity in the crypto community, but he argued that the focus should be on technologies that empower private ownership and individuals, like Bitcoin. It's worth noting that the crypto industry is currently facing increased regulatory pressure, so it's important for the community to come together around shared goals and values. AI XRP new news updates. The recent surge in on-chain volume for XLM and positive news regarding its innovation, Soroban, could potentially lead to continued price gains in April. The significant increase in volume and spike in negative sentiment towards XLM could also be taken as a contrarian signal by some traders. Based on technical analysis, if XLM can sustain its recent breakout above the rising price channel and hold above the 11 cents area, it could potentially rally towards the 13 cents area. However, if a false breakout were to occur, XLM could fall back towards the 9 cents support area. It is important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and can be influenced by a variety of factors. AI XRP new news updates. Despite the recent negative market trend, the governance token of the Stellar blockchain, XLM, has been experiencing substantial gains in all timeframes, according to CoinGecko. In fact, the token has seen its highest increase in the biweekly timeframe at nearly 29%. This impressive market rally can be attributed to recent on-chain developments that have propelled XLM to new heights. However, XLM has encountered resistance at the $0.1129 level, which could lead to potential downside in the coming days. If the bulls can overcome this resistance, further upside for the token may be possible. However, given the current bearish trend in the market, the outcome is uncertain. For now, it would be beneficial for the bulls to monitor the momentum of the general market. At $0.1097, XLM can enjoy a high correlation with Bitcoin if the latter picks up momentum again. Despite the challenges presented by the bearish market sentiment, the XLM team remains confident in their ability to navigate and continue to grow in value. They are focused on adoption, technology, and community engagement, believing that XLM will remain a strong investment opportunity in the cryptocurrency market. AI XRP new news updates. According to Coin ATM Radar, a website that aggregates data on cryptocurrency automated teller machines, ATMs, over 3,600 crypto ATMs went offline in March, marking a decline of 13.91% in the number of crypto ATMs worldwide since December 2022. The drop in March was the largest decline so far, and coincided with the General Bytes hack, which resulted in the theft of over $1.5 million in crypto. As of April 1, 2023, there are 33,728 crypto ATMs installed globally, with the United States hosting the most machines at over 28,000. BitAccess experienced a decline in growth, while General Bytes saw an increase. Genesis Coin also saw a decline, but it was less than BitAccess's drop. AI XRP new news updates. Circle, the issuer of the USD coin, USDC, has called for its cash reserves to be held with the Federal Reserve following the recent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, where Circle held roughly $3.3 billion worth of cash reserves that backed USDC. Circle's CFO, Jeremy Fox Green, said that a move to hold reserves directly with the Fed would require stablecoin legislation. Circle currently holds approximately 80% of its USDC reserve in short-dated U.S. Treasuries, with the other approximately 20% held in cash deposits at U.S. banks. In addition, Circle has transferred the majority of its cash reserves to one of the 30 globally systemically important banks. Circle has also signed a new partnership with the Noble Network, which will see USDC integrated within the Cosmos ecosystem, and it recently partnered with the Stellar Development Foundation and CoinMe to release USDC on Stellar utilizing the CoinMe wallet and CoinMe's global cash on-ramp and off-ramp ecosystem. AI XRP new news updates. Silver has seen its best monthly performance in more than 2 years, outshining gold as the precious metal rallies on the back of a shift in risk sentiment, a weak US dollar, and growing expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in the second half of 2023. Silver's rally is also benefiting from easing fears over the global banking crisis and concerns over the quickly approaching debt ceiling, which could continue to support precious metal safe haven demand. As a monetary metal, silver is also benefiting from cooler than expected inflation data, adding to expectations that the Federal Reserve has finished raising interest rates. Analysts see silver benefiting as a safe haven and risk-on asset and believe the metal has room to rally to $25 or even $27 an ounce if it sees a close above $23.90. However, the market could see some profit-taking in the near term, even as the precious metal continues to benefit from solid physical demand, particularly from China. AI XRP new news updates. The possibility of the US dollar losing its reserve currency status is a real concern, which could have significant repercussions on every holder of dollars, including ordinary citizens, international trade sector, and many of the world's central banks, whose reserves are composed of about 60% of US dollars and treasury bonds. Reserve currency status permits the reserve currency country to issue large quantities of its currency and expand its national debt in order to accommodate that role. However, this creates an enormous amount of credit-type money over and above the country's own needs for transactions and savings, which devalues the currency even though this reality is not recognized immediately by the national marketplace through price inflation. The loss of reserve currency status would probably follow a similar path as that taken by the English pound almost 80 years ago, devaluation. Reserve currency status also implies an imbalanced trade account, which can be deleterious through its unintended consequences. The national debt is reaching unfamiliar heights, and at some point, the confidence limit will be exceeded. China, Russia, Iran, India, Australia, and other nations have already started using other currencies in their trade transactions, probably because they have observed the overexpansion of the dollar. It is hard to predict how all of this will unwind, but it is important to protect oneself against the potential loss of the dollar's reserve currency status. Some ways to do so include investing in tangible assets like precious metals, real estate, and commodities, diversifying investments globally, and investing in other currencies like the euro, yen, or Swiss franc. It is essential to work with a financial advisor to evaluate and decide on the best strategies to protect oneself from the potential risks associated with the loss of reserve currency status. AI XRP new news update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP, based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 1 recommends buying XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, only 1 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 13 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be bullish, with 2 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral and 14 of the combined number of indicators suggesting that it is a good time to buy XRP. However, it's important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. AI XRP new news update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart will be updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a 1-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come 1 candle before a specific prediction date or 1 candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for: Sunday, April 2, 2023, Sunday, April 9, 2023, and Monday, April 10, 2023. This completes the AI XRP new news updates video. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.